Hello everyone. Today, we're going to learn how to tie a tie. A tie is a piece of fabric that is traditionally worn around the neck of a shirt to accentuate the collar and create a neat, professional look. There are different types of tying techniques that you can learn to master, and in this video, we'll go through the most common ones. 1. The classic tie waist. This is the most formal of all tying techniques. Start by placing the tie around your waist, just above your belt. Fold the tie in half lengthwise, and then pull the two ends through the loop you created. Tuck the ends under the loop and adjust the tie to fit comfortably. 2. The French cuff. This tying technique is perfect for a more casual look. Start by placing the tie around your wrist, just below your watch. Fold the tie in half, and then twist it around your wrist, forming a loop at the top. Pull the two ends through the loop, and then tuck them under themselves for a stylish, yet relaxed cuff. 3. The classic double bow. For a sophisticated look, try the classic double bow tie. Start by placing the tie around your neck, just above your shirt. Fold the tie in half, and then pass one end through the loop at the top. Twist the tie around itself, and then pass the other end through the newly formed loop. Tuck the ends under themselves and adjust the bow to fit comfortably. Remember, practice makes perfect when it comes to tying a tie. With some time and effort, you'll be a master at creating stylish and professional knots. Thanks for watching, and happy tying!